What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Your boy out here. Now I'm on my way home. I was waiting for it to slow down. Now let's go see the chaos at the storm coast. Let's go see. Finna show y'all probably a whole bunch of chaos. I know it's finna probably be a whole bunch of trees and stuff. Cause we just had 90-mile-an-hour winds here, y'all. 90-mile-an-hour winds. Trees and everything I'm looking at. Falling debris. So much stuff. But like I say, now we on our way home. See the little tree in the road down now. Look, well, that ain't the only one. As long as we keep moving, we finna run into a whole bunch of it. My way home now. Wife put in a little grocery order. Plus, I got Burger King coming a little later. I just wanted to see my grandbabies. Look at the trees and shit, y'all. Like I say, we go trees. We finna be looking at, like I say, it's gonna be a lot of trees as we going. Cause we out here fresh. We out here fresh right after the storm. It just stopped raining. But like I say, you can hear the thundering and lightning. But I gotta get home. Got to hang out with my grandbabies. Grandkids told Grandpa they love him. They even wanted to come with Grandpa. They wanted to come to Grandpa's house. But Grandpa can't take them to his house. Because my grandkids got one more day of school, gang. My little babies got one more day of school. And Friday morning, they in the air. The debris falling out the trees as we walking past, gang. Look. Debris that just fell out the tree. Yeah. So, like I say, my grandbabies, I'm happy that they getting to go back and see my my baby mama. My baby mama stay in Arizona. She was here for a while till she got in some stuff, had to get up out. So it's smooth. But my kids, like I say, my kids and them been in Arizona now for like, man, now 14. I don't even say 14. I say maybe 12 years. 12, they've been in Arizona now for like 12 years. 12 years in Arizona, and my daughter, she been here in Chicago since October of last year. My son and them supposed to be coming. My son's supposed to be coming to Chicago. He said in July, but I don't think so. Cadillac, trees and stuff. Trees over there. Trees all in the street. Trees down. Trees here. Trees there. Trees there. Pieces of trees here. Damn, gang. It rain. It rain. Like they say, when it rains, it pours. We was already sitting at damn near at 8 o'clock this morning. We was already at 85 degrees at 8. At 8 o'clock. We was sitting at 85 some degrees. No air, no nothing. Just hot, a ball of heat. Just heat. But you can hear the fire trucks in the distance because people trying to fire that You can hear the fire trucks. Man, not a bird nest flew up out the tree. So we on our way back home. My wife like, baby, the power was flipping. Power was flickering on and off. I told her, I say, yeah, I know, cause where I stay in the '90s, and my grandma stay in the '90s. So me getting to her house and me sitting around, I'm looking at the power. Look, most of the trees and stuff. Lots of little trees and debris. Trees, trees, tree and fell. Debris right there. I say, I'm giving y'all everything today, Jack. I'm getting everything. Debris, debris. Damn, it done blew the whole fence down, gang. You know, we just came through here and the fence was up. That boy just blew the whole fence down. Man, that shit didn't play. Yep. Debris, debris. Like I said, it's tree debris everywhere. All over the ground. Debris, debris, trees, debris. Yeah. Look at the flooded that. Flooded the hell out of that spot. My grandkids funny, gang. They asked me, my granddaughter say, Grandpa, why you got that umbrella plastic thingy? I say, baby, because Grandpa got it because Grandpa don't want to melt. I told my grandkids, they laughing. I say, yeah, Grandpa can't be outside in this rain. Grandpa melt. Grandpa melt like butter. I told them like, yeah, I can't do that. They bust up laughing. My granddaughter get to looking at me with them little eyeballs. Talking about, come on, Grandpa. And then my grandson, he's so funny. He's so funny that he got so much energy. My grandson got so much energy that them kids is past. Them kids is too damn funny. He got too much damn energy. Talking about if you melt and fall in the water, Grandpa, where you gonna go? How they gonna? I said I ain't. I said Grandpa gonna wash off into the sewer. Told him I said, shit, Grandpa gonna wash off into the sewer.